Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the JavaScript's arrow function. So let's get started. The JavaScript's arrow function that came in from the ES6 notation is very useful and is being used a lot nowadays. So let's understand the normal function in JavaScript and what is the difference between the normal function and the arrow function. So first things first, I have opened a JavaScript file in which I've created a simple function called as add. It takes in two numbers and returns its sum. And what I'm doing is I'm console logging the add value on my output window. So let me write in the node and run the file first. So let me do in node test.js. And as you can see, I get the output of 3. So basically this is a normal function. Now let's check into how we create an arrow function. To create an arrow function, first thing is you need to name a variable. So let me create a const, or I can use it let. It really depends upon your liking. So I'm using a constant variable. We usually use constants because once a function is created, we can't make changes to that function. So we always like to use the constant variable. So const add is equal to, and now basically I want to open and close my brackets within which I will put my arguments. So first let's leave it empty, and then I will put the arrow because of which it's called the arrow function. And now I simply need to call my curly braces, and then it's pretty much the same like a normal function. So first let me just simply console.log and say hello arrow function. Okay, so now let's not keep it anything complicated for now, and let me save this and let me remove these arguments. And if I go down and I write node.js, as you can see, it says hello arrow function, and just ignore this. This is coming undefined since we haven't returned any value. So this is a function using no arguments. But let's say if you want to add any arguments, like the two numbers that was there in the previous function, what you need to do is you just need to specify that over here, num1, num2. Okay, so now we have specified our arguments, and here all we need to do is simply return num1 plus num2. Isn't that really simple? And now if I save the file and put in some values, let's say 1 and 2, save it over here, go down in my terminal and run the file. As you can see, now it says hello arrow function and it returns the value 3. So this is the basic syntax of the arrow function. Let me show you a small tip in the arrow function. Let's say you have this function that's a square function and returns the square of a number. And as you can see, it takes over here just a single argument. Then if you're only making use of a single argument, you do not need to specify the parenthesis. So I can remove that. And as you can see, there's no error showing, which means the code is working perfectly. So let me save this file and go down to my terminal and run it. And as you can see, I just specified an extra argument. Let me save this to any other variable, let's say 3, and let me run the file. And as you can see, it returns the perfect output to me on the output window. So that's it from the ES6 JavaScript's arrow function. If you found this video helpful and learned something from it, don't forget to smash the like button and comment your suggestions and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.